So welcome to Weld.com. Today, Linnett is our co-host, and we're going to build a garden gate for her garden. What do you think about building this garden gate?
Listen, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, my garden is so big. I have strawberries and cucumbers and melons and grapes. Oh my. And I want to be able to, go back there and look at it. And I love how it gives me the sense of relief, and it's a safe haven. So a garden gate would fit right in amongst the beautiful flowers and fruits and vegetables.
Cool. That'd be nice. What are we going to build it out of?
All right. So today, when we build the gate, the material we're going to use is 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/8 inch of carbon steel tubing, and we're going to use 45-degree angle to cut it. We're also going to use mesh metal to use on the ends of it, 10 inch, I believe, on each side of the gate, on the inside of the gate.
Right.
And we're also going to use a little bit extra tubing for the middle to have a little stability and a little decor.
That'll fit good. That'll fit really nice in the garden.
I think so. I think it'll be a great project. Something people can do at home and something for the ladies to do.
There you go.
You know how we like our gardens.
That's it. So there you go. We'll get started.
All right, let's do this. All right, you guys, I just got through cutting the last piece, and I already got everything else laid out. So we're going to take this piece over there, and we're going to put it in place and have everything laid out and see how it looks. Yep, perfect. That'll be perfect. All right, guys, now that we got the pieces on the table, before we can tack it up, we had to mark it, and we also have to clean it. You have to make sure you have your metal prepped correctly before you start welding. All right, now that we've gotten everything laid out, we're going to go ahead and tack out the frame first, because we want to make sure that the frame is square. It doesn't matter about the decorations if you don't have the whole frame squared out. So that's what we're going to do first, and then we're going to add in the middle part. Today we're going to be using Bowler Diamond Spark 52 RC 0.045 inch seamless flux core welding wire, AWS A5.36 on an Everlast Power iMig 253 DPI. The gas is a 75 to 25 mix and 20 CFH on the gauge. All right, now we got all our pieces laid out and we got our metal tacked up. You know what time it is? It's welding time. Ooh.
So we're going to talk about the settings on this Everlast Power iMig 253 DPI. And we're going to start out here with the select on the pre-flow. So we have it set for 0.2, which you don't really need a long pre-flow because of the fact we're not welding stainless or trying to keep it cool before we start welding on it, so you have really good gas coverage, just welding on carbon steel, flux core. We'll go to the next step. The inductance, I got it set on 5, which is good. So we have 170 amps with 18.8 volts. But at the beginning, we started out with 18?
Yes.
And kept moving it up because it needed a little bit more heat.
Yeah, definitely.
So she liked it a little bit hotter, so that's what we did. We'll go to the burn back, and we got it set at 0.03 with the burn back. With the volts on the burn back time is 15.1, which works well. So what'd you think about the machine?
I liked it. I definitely would use it again, and the wire was great.
Great. What'd you like about the wire?
It was smooth. I feel like it ran really great. I think it was pretty good.
Bowler makes really good products.
Oh,
I like them.
I would use it again, absolutely.
Great.
All right, you guys, now that we're done welding the gate up, I think it's time that we add some decor. Remember the expanded metal? It's time to use it. We have 2 pieces that are going to go on the opposite sides of the gate, and you know what? I think I might have some extra material at home to add a little more fun to it. So I think we're gonna go ahead and add this part here and weld this down. And when we get home, we'll do a little more. right, you guys, now that we're done welding the whole gate, it's time to go ahead and put it in the car. And you know what? I don't think it's good. Paul, you think you can come over here?
Oh no, we got a problem?
I don't think this gate is gonna fit in my car. Yeah.
How big a car you got? Not that big?
Yeah, this gate is bigger. So what do you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna cut it, make it fit.
Oh yeah, I got a welder at home.
There you go.
Now that we've cut our gate, we decided we're gonna add some reinforcements when I get home to make sure we can keep it nice and sturdy. And Paul's gonna go ahead and put the gate into my car for me. Thanks, Paul. You know what? We'll see you on the flip side.